the inside the screen will change. We do not provide the fascia frame at the side of it, as you will be using your factory frame. So please do not get confused. We do not provide the frames, the side fascia. We only provide the LCD screen and the main ICC unit behind the back of the panel. So the rest of it is identical as the 9.6 inch, guys. Everything is there as you guys previously seen on the video. All your applications, Wi-Fi's, Bluetooth, touch screens, DVD players, cameras, sensors, climate controls. As you can guys probably see it, this is on dual zone, as you see. So I'm just increasing the passenger side, and then of course the driver side to the low, and syncs on and goes on. That's our fan speed minus. So that's our dual zone that's being fixed with the new software update that we've just done on it. And of course all your steering wheel buttons is operating and will be working. And the SIG plus and SIG minus, we don't have SIG minus, it's just plus only. Phone pickup will take us to the Bluetooth page, and the mode button, which is right under here. As you can see, it's keep changing video, phone, auxiliary, disc and radio. So yes guys, the rest is all the same as our 9.6 inch. So if you guys have any questions or any interest, just let us know. And about the Apple CarPlay, so if you have a extra Apple CarPlay you want to add on to it, then it will be simply just plug into your iPhone, as Ricky will just here we're gonna just do it. So yeah, we can just go into it manually as well, or you can plug it in, it will just come up. And that's our Apple CarPlay, guys. That's it. And manually you can go into it. I just sort of forgot about it, but there is a application for it, so you can just manually go into it, or tap the car. It will just take you back to the main menu of the unit. And of course your reversing camera, if you have a factory reversing camera, we'll just click into it, and your factory sensors will come up on the screen as well. And as you can hear it, it is beeping. Thanks for watching, guys, and here we go, it's all done.